New to UPI tasks, many beginners get confused when they first hear about UPI tasks, but the process is actually very simple. You don't need special skills, you only need to understand the basic workflow. Register your account, connect your payment method, complete tasks, and follow platform instructions. Most UPI task platforms work through common digital payment methods and simple task systems. The first step is registration. Create your account and complete the basic setup. This usually takes only a few minutes. Next, connect your preferred UPI payment method. Always double-check your information before moving forward. After setup, you can access available tasks and follow the instructions shown on the platform. When everything is completed correctly, the task status is updated automatically. In the next videos, I'll explain each step in more detail, including payment setup, beginner tips, and common mistakes. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly UPI guides and stay tuned for the next tutorial. See you in the next video.